Hello guys, welcome to brand new series about Angular 11. This is Bilal. In this tutorial we will learn the basics of Angular, in which prerequisites, history, why should we learn Angular, and we will set up development environment at the end of this tutorial. Prerequisites of Angular. Before proceeding with this tutorial, you should have the basic understanding of HTML, CSS, JavaScript and TypeScript, and Rome. You should have the basic understanding of OOP as well. The first version of Angular that was released is called Angular 1, which is also called AngularJS. Angular 1 was followed by the Angular 2, which come in with a lot of changes when compared to Angular 1. The structure of Angular 1 is based on the MVC pattern, but the Angular 2 and after Angular 2, the version of the Angular is based on the component services architecture. After Angular 2, all the versions that is released by the Google are based on the same architecture but released with a little bit of addition and improvement. The latest version of Angular is Angular 11 that is released on 11/11/2020. The next step, why should we learn Angular? It is a framework to build a client-side application. It is best for single-page application. It is used for web development, mobile development, and desktop application development. Angular makes it achievable goal to divide the labor across different team members while ensuring organized code because of modular structure. The component-based architecture of Angular makes the components highly reusable across the application. Being independent of each other, the components make unit testing much easier. In this step, we will set up development environment. First of all, we will install Node.js from nodejs.org. Let's start to install Node.js. You can install Node.js from nodejs.org. Select the recommended for most users and install on your machine. After the installation, to check if Node.js is installed on your system, we will check the version of the node we have installed on our machine with the command node/v. That is the version 12.16.3. Once Node.js is installed, npm will also get installed along with it. To check if an npm is installed or not, type npm/v, that give the version 6. It should display the version 6.14.4. Install Angular CLI with the command npm install global @Angular CLI. It will take little bit of time for installing. Meanwhile, we will look at Visual Studio that we will use for the code editor. Visual Studio 2019. Select the first link and install the Professional. Press on the download Visual Studio button. Your download will start shortly. If download does not, we can click on the retry button. Our download is started. Please install this version on your system. In the next tutorial, we will create a new project
and we will create a Hello World application in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.